First, make sure all devices are powered on and connected to the same local network. Turn on the device and go to the navigation page. Select your preferred language and network settings. On the connection mode page, choose Cloud Mode. You'll arrive at the home page. Once you've made all the selections, go to Settings, then tap QR code. Open the NEX Smart app and tap the Scan button. Use it to scan the QR code displayed on the indoor monitor. A pop-up will prompt you to register. Fill out your registration details as shown in the input fields. After filling everything out, click Confirm. Double-check your information and tap Yes to complete the registration. Click Confirm to create your home. Enter a name for your home. Select your time zone and tap Confirm again to complete the setup.
Choose the device you want to add and click
Confirm.
Now, return to the home
page. Once the Cloud Intercom is connected, you can unlock the door dual intercom and real-time video monitoring.
Door is opening.
The doorbell can also call your phone directly. When a call is placed, your phone will receive a notification. With the app, you can handle Cloud Intercom call, unlock doors, and more. The doorbell can call the indoor monitor directly.
Door is opening.
On the indoor monitor, you can also monitor real-time activity near the entrance.
Door is opening.
Enter the settings and then enter the advanced section. Enter the engineering password 3888. Enter the card issuance mode settings. Select range as monitoring list. Enter the enable card issuance mode and select doorbell. After swiping the card, the indoor monitor will record the card number. After editing the card name, click Save. Now, you can use this access card.
Door is opening.